guys, it's Ica and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really exciting, well at least for me. I'm doing a haul and it's gonna be like home decor, storage stuff, just like stuff around the house. I am redoing my bathroom, so a lot of this is like for my bathroom. I'm gonna show you stuff from Ikea, Bed Bath & Beyond, and like a few other places. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the stuff I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. Like I said, I wanted to redo my bathroom. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is this over-the-cabinet storage container. And this is basically for your hair dryer and then like whatever hair tools that you want, and then your curling iron can go on here. I thought that was, or actually no, it says that you wanted to have your hairbrush there, but I'll probably put my curling iron there, so we'll see how it is. Once I redo my bathroom, hopefully soon, well I'll be filming the makeover anyways, but you know, watch out for that video because then you'll see everything kind of like fall into place. Another thing I got from Bed Bath & Beyond are these like under the sink storage organizers. So basically it's like a set of two. So this is the large one. I think this was like $30. Oh, the hair dryer was like $17. I literally spent like $75 at Bed Bath & Beyond to get 3 things. So this is like the bottom one and it's like a pull-out organizer, and then the other one is the medium under the sink storage, and it basically goes on top of the other one. So this goes on, oh here, right here. So if you look, this is a medium and this is a large, so it basically goes on top of each other. So I thought that was really cool and cute, but it was just a lot of money. So yeah. Next I want to show you guys a couple things from like Amazon. So I got new shower curtains. And this is like just all white with a little bit of like blue corals, and I thought that was really nice and it's perfect for me because I am a marine biologist, but my bachelor's degree was in marine biology. Another thing from Amazon is this shower head. So I wanted to get like the rainfall one, but I wanted to get like a rainfall one, like the really big shower head and just looks like rainfall, but I wanted to get one that's like you can move the handle so it's easier for me to bathe Snoopy. Another thing from Amazon, you might not, oh wait, this one's heavy because it's like glass, but it's basically a corner shelf that goes like inside the bathroom. You probably won't see it, but like this is what it looks like. We're gonna install this too, hopefully tomorrow or like sometime this week. And then another thing from Amazon, this is kind of random, but I got more hangers because I have a lot of stuff that are not hung right now and they should be hung. So I got like, I think it was like a set of 50 or 100, no, probably a set of 50. But yeah. Another thing I got from Amazon are these like, it's basically wallpaper, but they're stick and peel. It's not like you have to glue them. I can't really show you like what it looks like rolled up, but I'll probably put a picture here. But I got them for my bathroom. I had to buy 6 of these because then I measured my one wall, and for me to cover all of it I had to get 6 of these. I think it was like 18, no not 18, I think I spent like 77 for all 6. And then next I wanted to show you stuff like from the dollar store and Homesense. I think this one I got from the dollar store. I'm actually not sure anymore. Oh, it has a zip tie, but basically it's like a storage container. It has like legs that go down here, and then so you have like, it creates like 2 levels instead of just one. And then another thing from the dollar store is like, I love the acrylic containers, so most of my acrylic containers I get from the dollar store. This one is specifically, it says refrigerator, freezer, pantry, or bathroom. So this one here they had like cleaning supplies. And I just got 2 more of like these like acrylic organizers from the dollar store. These ones are like $1.25 each. And I also got another storage organizer. This is from the dollar store as well. This one was $4. I love these. Right now I don't really know where I'm going to use them, but I will find a home for them. And then I also got this from the dollar store. It's like a paper holder. It's rose gold, so it doesn't really match like the color of like my room, but I thought it was so cute, so I got it anyway. Next I went to Homesense. I really only got like a couple things there. I got this basket over there, and it's like a pretty like sturdy basket, and it's like gray, it has like a cute like print on it, and I wanted to put like my throws over here instead of just like on the chase and on my bed. I think it would be really cute, like just overflowing like that. My sister and I got like not the same thing, but she got something different, but basically for the same idea. Next, I'm going to show you guys what I got from Ikea. So I actually ordered from Ikea like back in late March or early April online, and it took a while for me to get my stuff, at least 6 weeks before it delivered. And then yesterday, because Ikea opened this week for us, so my sister and I went yesterday and we had so much fun. We were there for literally like probably 3 hours. I'll show you what I was really excited first. If you follow me on Instagram and watch my Instagram story, you probably already know what I'm talking about. But I got a bunch of plants. So I pretty much only got succulents because I thought they were like really cute. I'll show you quickly what I got. So we're literally there for so long because first we were trying to get like the plants and then like trying to get like matching vases for them, and obviously like I'm picky too because I'm gonna put them like in my room and then in the bathroom as well, but like I have like a theme going on, so I only want to get like, you know, kind of like mint green, Tiffany blue, teal colors, or like gray. So I'll show you the first one. I don't know what any of the names are because I just kind of started getting into it, so I haven't really like did much research or anything like that, but this one's so cute. So I picked this like light blue vase for it, or not, it's not a vase, pot. Oh my god, they're pots, they're called pots. But oh my god, isn't this so cute? I'm probably gonna put this maybe on my side table or maybe on top of my chase. I'm not sure, but this is the first one that I got. And then, actually, my mom took my other pot, like we switched around because I bought a few for her too. The second one I should show you is this. So this is, kind of looks like a rose, but it's green. And I don't know anything about plants, so I'm just gonna say it like that. But it's so pretty. And then our struggle was a lot of the plants they had in there didn't fit properly in the pots. So obviously this one has a lot of space, but it's fine because, I don't know, it still looks cute, right? And then the other one, oh, the other one kind of looks like the second one I showed you, but this is like more purple. The other one was like more green. Actually, I'll put them side by side. Here. So they kind of look the same on camera, honestly. But anyways, they're two different, or I think they're two different plants, but so I got these two. And then the other one is this, so pretty. So this one I just picked a regular like tin pot, and this one, honestly, they're all so cute. But yeah, so I got this. Honestly, I wanted more, but and my mom and my sister went to the freaking greenhouse today, and they got more plants, but they didn't get me anything. Yeah, I know. And then the last one I got from there is this cute little plant. So it's the same one as the bigger one I showed you, but this is just tiny, but it's so cute. I think I'm going to put this in the bathroom. Or, no, I think I'm going to put this in the bathroom. But I need like 2 more because I want it like on top of like the toilet because I have like an organizer there. And I think I'll put like 3. I don't know. Anyways, it's so cute. I'm inserting clips because I went back to Ikea today and I got more plants. So I'll show you guys in a second. So I got 2 more vases, obviously, with this plant. So I got 1 more of the succulents, and then this one's a little bit different. I don't know what kind of plant it is. Like I said, I don't really know anything about them much yet, but it's so cute. And I also got this plant. Looks like a freaking pineapple, but it's so cute. And then I picked like a rattan pot for it. And then this one is an artificial one. It's like a skinny vase, and then it's just here. But yeah, they're so cute. I thought I'd show you guys what else I got today. We literally came back because I needed more storage bins. Like these ones here. I need more of that. Okay, so plants are done. I'll show you what else I got from Ikea. So in the plant section as well, they're like, that's where the candles are too. And when we walked in, I'm like, what's that smell? It smells so good. I think it was this one I was smelling. It's the strawberry. Actually, I don't even know because it doesn't have a name on it. Anyways, I thought it was like strawberry something, and yeah, it smells pretty good. So I think it's this. I think this is the one that I was smelling when I was in the store. I don't know. But this is like only a couple dollars. Oh, the plants are like ranging between like $5, like $7, $8, and the pots are like from like $2 to like $6. So I mean, it's not that bad. And a couple other things that I got from Ikea are these like storage bins. Obviously the color is like perfect for my room, so I got 2 different sizes. So this one I believe is like $5.99. I already have a few of these, and I was putting like my makeup in the container. I like it how it has a lid so it doesn't get dust in it. And then the bigger size, this is $10. So yeah, and the good thing about them too is like they stack together nicely. So yeah. Next I want to show you this organizer. Obviously once it's put together, like I'll show you again, but it's like a 3-tier like rack that has wheels, so it moves. I'm gonna put this in the bathroom. I don't know what I'm putting in here yet, but I'll figure it out once I redo my bathroom. Another thing that I ordered online is this storage organizer. So like I said, I have a lot of storage because I'm redoing pretty much everything, but mostly like the cabinet under the sink. So I have a lot of stuff in there, so I want to go through it and then like organize it properly. So it just looks like this. But this is cheap too. I can't remember how much exactly. Oh my god, it's like, it's dusty because it's been sitting. Another thing I got from the online, when I shopped online, is, oh my god, I hate it because, okay, you see that? I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like stuff of like fluff or like brown stuff. It's basically they're not peanuts, but like the filler in the box, so like the products doesn't get, so the products don't get damaged. But it's like cardboard material, so it went everywhere. So I wiped everything already earlier today, and I still have like some left over. But I just got like another storage bin. I like my organization bins or storage, whatever. I also got like file folders. Is that what they're called? So like these ones, I'm gonna put these on my desk. I'm probably gonna have to move the one I already have because it's like, it's nice and sturdy, but it's like brown, so it doesn't really match. So I just got these from Ikea. I'm gonna be redoing my closet. I'm gonna do some spring cleaning and go through like all my clothes and get rid of some stuff. I just wanted to get another one of these that goes in the closet. I have one already, but it's in the other room. I just wanted to replace it because it's kind of like falling apart, so I got this. Another thing that I got yesterday when we went to Ikea is this breakfast table. It's so cute. So it's like a breakfast in bed tray. You see that? I do always eat upstairs when I'm working because I'm so busy that I don't even go downstairs and have my lunch. I literally go downstairs, grab something, come back up, and then just eat right at my desk. So I feel like this would be good to just put my food like right beside me on my bed because I work in my room. So yeah. Oh, actually there's one more thing. The last thing I wanted to show you that I got from yesterday is this like toothbrush holder. So it's just like gray, and I thought I should replace the one I have because my toothbrush holder right now is just a coffee mug. So I thought I should get one, and I think that's pretty much it from Ikea. Yeah, I'm like looking around to see if I missed anything, but I don't think so. Oh wait, I do have one more. What an idiot. So this is really exciting. My sister kind of forced me to get this. So basically on my vanity I have like a small like rug that just fits where my vanity, like where my chair is. I want to replace it. I was looking for something gray, but my sister saw this. She wanted one for herself. But okay, this is like a faux fur rug. So don't worry, it's not real, it's faux, so no animal was killed. I hope not, at least. It's polyester, so. But yeah, it's actually pretty big. Like, it's long. Hold on. I'm gonna put this on my vanity. See that? It's actually freaking big. But it's not square. It's like shaped like, I don't know, it's weird. I'm gonna show you guys. The only thing I'm worried about this is that it's white and I'm gonna drop shit on it and it's gonna have like makeup all over it. But My sister said, but think about when you're gonna do your makeup and you're feeling it, it's so soft, blah blah blah. Anyways. So I think that's it for like my haul. I hope you guys like this haul, and if you're curious as to how everything turned out, just keep an eye out for my bathroom makeover organization video, or my closet one, which I don't even know when that's gonna be. But yeah, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. If you haven't already, please click the red subscribe button over there and hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!